Hey guys, Gun Billy's Explorations.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Sean.
What's
and
up, guys?
Guess what? We're doing it for you guys. We've been waiting, and it's been a while. I know you guys like them videos. So today we've got some items out, and we brung some old junk from a house, and we're gonna Tannerite it.
People want to get rid of it. It's not like it's anything special. The lady wanted it gone, so we're gonna get rid of it.
Yeah.
Right?
And you're gonna get to see it from two different angles,
Firsthand.
and also one in slow-mo and the other one going normal. So we'll be back in a second. We'll put you on pause, get everything set up, and then all you'll be waiting for is the explosion.
That's right. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching, guys. We love you. God bless to all.
Right.
Shout out to Big Dollar Pond real quick, and we'll say that one more before we get out of here.
Big Dollar Pond ball. Recording.
Is your phone recording?
Yep.
Good job. Safety on.
Woo! Safety on. That's the shit.
Alright, I'm going to pause that so it goes in slow-mo. Guys, we got more explosions coming.
That's why we do out on the range, man. We having fun out on the Gun Billies, man. That's right. We out here with the Gun Billies.
That was awesome.
Right. Thanks for having us.
Woo!
Thanks for watching, guys. Praise to Jesus. Big thanks to Big Dollar Pond. And viewers, you guys are awesome. We love you. All right.
Hey, guys. What'd y'all think about that? Here's the door I shot.
Down.
I had to get that one on film because it was my
I need to back up pretty good.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we're going to put you on pause. We're going to get something else ready, and then Chris is going to take a shot at it. And then Jake.
I think it zoomed in. There we go. Guys, here's like the damage, aftermath. All that is a dresser that, you know, she did not want. It blew it all the way over there too. Yeah. We knew that y'all'd want to see the damage, so, you know, here we go. There's the damage. A big old piece over here. Flew all the way back there. Oh, look at that over there too.
Yeah.
Big piece over there too.
We're going to Look, dude, it rained.
Looks like cottonwood all out here.
I know, right?
Damn, it's stuck in the tree.
Where's that? There it is.
Get that big piece of the tree.
Stuck all
Right there.
Guys, we are not going to litter. We will clean all this up, just so you know.
awesome.
Look, here's the other part of the chair, guys.
Whoa. Let me get the light on it. There it is.
stuck in the fence.
Let's see here. Is that the whole frame or just half? That's only half of it.
That's just blue. That's just the legs,
yeah,
the front
big
legs.
frames right there.
Or
Boot
the-
back off.
Pops up in the tree.
That was awesome.
That was the best one I think yet.
Look. Oh man, that was cool. All right, guys. Well, it's getting dark on us. We'll do our outro here. Stand back, Chris. Let me see if I can. I got you right. Come a little closer. Right there.
All right. Oh, whoa. I don't know what here. Something happened. There we go. All right.
Maybe one step back.
I want to step back. Here's
All right.
the flashlight back.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching Gun Billy's Explorations. We got Marine Corps Cookie with us today.
And we have fun
Thank you, guys.
today, y'all.
This
Love
was such a special night. We've been waiting to do this, and in day, we went from day to night blowing up items for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, bell notification.
And don't forget to comment.
Yeah, always leave a comment. Tell us what you want to see. What kind of content do you want?
Yeah.
Also, go check out Chris Rayburn's YouTube channel.
That's right.
He
Do
posts
on
some
there,
stuff.
too.
He obviously has a Tannerite video that'll be up on there later.
That's right. We always do random stuff. That's right.
We shout out Big Dollar Pond.
That's right. The
And
great
then
guys.
we thank Jesus Christ most of all. Praise be to Jesus. And
Viewers, you guys are awesome.
and we
thank you for
we thank
watching.
you guys
We love doing this.
second most because we wouldn't be making these videos if you wouldn't watch them. So we thank you guys. We love you. We hope everything is going good for you. God bless you and in the name of Jesus, and hopefully you and your family are doing well. We'll see you next time on Gun Billy's Explorations. Yep. And don't forget to leave your powder dry.
Don't forget to keep it. That's